What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove background noise in Premiere Pro. If you've recorded audio with unwanted background noise, Premiere Pro has built-in tools to help clean it up quickly and effectively. Start by selecting the audio clip you want to fix in your timeline. Once it's highlighted, go to the Essential Sound panel. If you don't see this panel, go to the top menu, click on Window, and make sure Essential Sound is checked in the drop-down list. In the Essential Sounds panel, tag your clip by clicking Dialog. This tells Premiere that you're working with spoken audio, which will enable the right set of audio tools. Next, expand the Repair section. Here, check the box labeled Reduce Noise. Once that's enabled, you will see a slider. Adjust this to around 7.5. This is a good starting point to reduce the background noise without affecting the natural tone of your voice too much. You can always fine-tune the value depending on how bad the background noise is. Play your audio back and listen to the result. If the noise is still noticeable, you can slightly increase the value. If your voice starts to sound too muffled or processed, try reducing the slider a bit until you find the balance that works best. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.